how to change Instagram email address. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the email address associated with your Instagram account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Instagram app, then navigate to your profile. Once on your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open up the menu. And then once we're in the settings here, go ahead and select Account Center. Now that we're in Account Center, go ahead and select Profiles and Personal Details. And then on this page here, you'll see personal details, and then you'll see contact info, and it will be your email address. Go ahead and select that. Now all we need to do is select Add New Contact. Go ahead and select Add Email. Enter the email address that you want to use as your new email address for your Instagram account. And then make sure you have your Instagram account selected down here. Select Next. Once you do that, it's going to send a confirmation code to your email. It'll look like this. You'll just need to copy that code, then enter the code in. Once you enter the code, select Next at the bottom, and that will confirm your email address on your account. So now when you select Close, as you can see, that replaces your old email address, and you have now changed the email address on your Instagram account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.